Thank you, everyone. Give a round of applause for Hello Kitty. So, to warm up all of you guys for the show, Hello Kitty would like to play a quick game. Okay? So, I will divide the audience into two. On this side will be Team Rudolph. And on the other side is Team Santa Claus. Okay, later when Hello Kitty points to this side, Team Rudolph should stand up and wave. Can I see? Wave, stand up, wave. Okay, when Hello Kitty points to that side, Team Santa Claus, you have to stand up and clap your hands. Okay? Are you all ready? Kitty, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Kitty, are you satisfied already with the audience? No. So we will do it again one more time. Are you all ready? Okay, Kitty. Yeah, thank you, everyone. Okay, so do you want some more surprises and games and performances from Kitty? Okay, Hello Kitty. Because it's Christmas, let me ask you, what's your favorite Christmas present? Oh, yes, it's the apple pie baked by her mother. That's her favorite in the whole wide world. And now, how about you? Would you like to get some presents from Hello Kitty today? Okay, very good. Now, may we call on the 4 volunteers to come up the stage and form one line. We'll play a quick game. Say hello to Kitty. Okay, form one line. Make sure you have enough space. Okay, on this game, we will ask all of you to paint a pose, your best pose, and you have to hold it. When Hello Kitty counts to 3, you have to hold that pose. Any pose. Your favorite anime pose or Sanrio poses of Kitty, okay? Are you all ready to pose? Okay, everyone. Kids, 1, 2, 3, pose! Hold your pose. Hold it. Okay, Kitty, who do you think has the best pose? Everyone, who do you think has the best pose? Yes, very good. Okay, congratulations, you get a prize from Hello Kitty. Thank you. Okay, we still have 3 more kids on stage. We'll ask it one more time. Okay, kids, are you ready? One more pose. And she will choose another best pose. Are you ready? Okay,